Today we're doing something I've wanted to do for so long. We're getting rid of that boring ass piece of plastic and we're replacing it for a beautiful little diffuser that I think will really transform this car. So getting this diffuser off should be really easy, but you guys have been following me enough now to know that an easy job is never an easy job.
10-minute install turns into a 1-hour install.
Yes. Right, so the first thing we're going to do is take out these plastic tabs, there's one either side, and then there are 6 screws all underneath this diffuser, and then we can just completely take it off, and yeah, it should just be clips all up here, so it should hopefully be nice and easy. Let's get moving. That was easy. All right. Here is the old one. As you can see, it's off. And surprisingly, that was really easy. So I really hope putting it on's just as easy. It should be, right, Leo? Yeah. And now for the big reveal. Let's reveal the diffuser. Diffuser. Now, a lot of you guys might be wondering, what is wrong with my old bumper slash diffuser? What the f*** are you doing? Don't just unscrew random shit. This guy is sitting there just unscrewing random stuff at the bottom of my car while I'm doing this. This guy, stop actually, stop. I'm trying to record a video. So, actually, there's nothing wrong with that one. Here's them both lined up. You can see just how much further this one will come out. Look at this guy, man, relaxing. And yeah, there's absolutely nothing wrong with the old one, apart from it looks extremely boring. And hopefully with the new diffuser, it should just look aggressive as shit, basically. And the reason why we're putting on the diffuser before we put on anything else like a splitter, like side skirts, is actually because the car sits really low at the minute, which is just the stock ride height, and the back is a bit mad, but the front does sit low. And that is a problem for me, and I've explained it in a few TikToks, but I haven't actually explained it on YouTube, so that's what I'm gonna do right now. So, on my driveway, there is a massive hump right there. And you can't see it on camera, but it is very high up. Not only this, but there is a curb that you've got to go straight up. If I had a splitter, it would just decimate it. So we're figuring things out on how we can repair it, the driveway, I don't know. But worst case scenario is that we put the splitter on when I move out. Wild Leo. So yeah, basically, I think I'm gonna focus on the back of the car for now. We're getting onto the big mods. Back to putting on the diffuser. So what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna clip it in, and then we're gonna screw it in. Then we're gonna put the little plastic tabs in, and hopefully jobs are good, and it should be all good, and we should be done. I mean, so far this has been really easy, and Leo knows just as much as I do that it's impossible for a job to be easy, isn't it, for us? Especially for me. I don't know about you, we've never really done. Oh no, we did, yeah.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah.
2-minute job into 2 out.
Days. Yeah. Let's get to work, shall we? Okay, so we've actually got to widen some of these holes, the side holes. We just do, so you're liable.
You're gonna let me do it.
I let Leo do these bits in case, so he's liable in case he breaks it. So we've done it, they're ready, and now we're ready to clip it in. Hooray! So you may just think that it's as simple as clipping it in, screwing it on, and you'd be correct. But for me and Leo, we can't even do that. Here is a few clips where I am absolutely stressing because I think I've just wasted my money because it doesn't fit. And it doesn't help that I'm doing this with Leo. So it's pretty much blind leading the blind. I see there's the clip and there's the clip. It just feels too short. I just don't think it fits. Yeah, but I can't get these in. I don't even know if I'm in. Leo, look at your bottom. All right, I say we just clip.
Actually where it turns into the hard install.
Okay. Here's what I'm thinking. We just go, we clip, start on your side, we go, you clip all the way up to here, and then I start clipping and pulling, because I think we're gonna have to we're gonna have to pull it. Right, my side over here is done.
You can't even get your hand under. Wait, is that the bumper?
I don't think the clip's long enough.
We did struggle to take it off.
This is hard.
It is hard, isn't it?
No, there's
Wait,
like there's
let go and see what happens.
come straight off.
We can't get this in. It's physically, it's not reaching.
So we think we've clipped it in. What we're gonna do, we're gonna put the screws in. We think we've screwed it in. Leo's still trying, just in case. Right.
Guys.
Oh, I need your phone again.
Next update. We had to take it back off. We've been here another 10 minutes. It's now 9:18. Charlie looked at it from underneath and we had done it completely wrong. So we took the whole back off and we put the whole back on, and this time it actually went in properly.
Okay guys, so it is the next day because it did get a bit dark, but I can tell you guys, it is all on and I think it is looking really good. And really, for how cheap this was, and I'll reveal the price in a bit, for how cheap this was, the fitment is like OEM, it's amazing. So I guess I'll show you guys in 3, 2, 1. So guys, there it is. What do you guys think? I mean, check out this fitment. The fitment is perfect there. It is perfect. The fitment runs perfectly across the entire bumper, and then it's perfect up there. I mean, the only thing is there's a tiny gap there, but I'm fairly sure there was a gap there anyway on the last one. So how much did this cost me? This M Performance style diffuser, which is literally the M Performance diffuser, which is £500. It looks the exact same. This cost me £70. I mean, that is perfect. I thought the only thing is you're skimping out on is fitment. And so I was a little bit worried that getting it for £70 compared to like £500, which it does cost, I thought the fitment might be bad, but as we've just discussed, ain't nothing wrong with the fitment there. The only thing I will say is that the actual diffuser fins are a bit small, but I mean, it's subtle, it's not anything too aggressive. What do you guys think? I definitely need to, I'm gonna get new tips. I'm gonna get the M Performance tips as well, so that and I'll pull them out a little bit more because they do sit a bit too far in now. I just think I really like it. I think it adds that bit of aggression to it, and it will look really nice when we get a really big like spoiler on the back there as well. It'll look really good. So yeah, what do you guys think? I mean, it's not too aggressive, but I'm kind of for the OEM plus sort of build on this car because I think it would just suit it the best. So yeah, what do you guys think? Anyway guys, that is the end of today's video. So I really do hope you enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see like a POV drive, click up there. And yeah, otherwise I'll see you guys later. Goodbye. Goodbye guys.